Greetings and hallucinations, citizens of the Geek Empire. What is wrong with my eye? It is very irritated. This is going to be a long video. Let's try that again. Greetings and hallucinations, citizens of the Geek Empire. I'm Matthew Kresik, aka The Unusual Geek, and welcome to another unboxing. I use that term loosely because A, it's not in a box, it's in a bag. B, we're going to be building something today. So I was at Walmart the other day, and with Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom out, they have these new Jurassic World Legos. This set in particular is like $3 or $4. You can get this at your local Walmart or Lego store or any place that sells Legos. And this set is it's called Baby Velociraptor Playpen, and it comes with Little Blue. See, Little Blue. So what we're going to do now is we're going to unbox it and build it, because Lord knows I love Legos. Okay, so I'm going to angle the camera down as best as I can so you guys can see the desk area, and we'll build this thing. Get this keyboard out of the way. All right, transition! And we're back. So here it is, the Lego Jurassic World Baby Velociraptor Playpen Lego set. Let's do it. Is that it? That's it. Oh my god! Look at Baby Blue! Look at Baby Blue! So cute. Who's the cute Velociraptor? Who's the cute Velociraptor? You are? Yes, you are! No! Alright, let's do this. My headphones just fell over. That's alright, I'll grab those in a minute. So, we have Baby Blue. We're going to put Baby Blue right here. And she will oversee construction. Now, this is one of those small Lego sets that have, like, little to no pieces. How many pieces is this, actually? 48 pieces. So this should be a quick and easy build for somebody of my skill set. I'm pretty good at Legos. Alright, we have our instructions. Alright, first off, we take the brown piece and one of these, I don't even know what you call it, section pieces. Don't worry. Oops, sorry, Blue. Come here. There we go. I'm not going to be doing this narration the whole time. I'm probably just going to do a speedy jump cut. Starting now. Alright guys, so here it is, the Baby Velociraptor Playpen. Let's put Blue in there for effect. You have your feeder, some bones, water dish. It's a cute little thing. For $3, it's not too bad. It's a cute little thing. I might put it on the wall of geekdom. I don't know. Turn and face the audience. Transition! So, there you have it guys, a little quick video of the Lego Jurassic World Baby Velociraptor Playpen. There's a bunch of Jurassic Park Legos out there. They even have sets based on the original film that I really want to get. Really cool. But this, if you're on a budget and you want a Lego set but you don't know what to get, you know, this one's like $3 or $4 at Walmart. It's really great. It's a fun little thing. And so that's it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I've got a couple more videos coming out. I'm working on them right now. So be on the lookout. One of them is a Let's Play. I've been trying to get it right for you guys, so it's not, you know, all loosey-goosey and stuff. But I'm Matthew Karsick, aka The Unusual Geek, and in these times of hardship, just remember, we are Groot. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, man.